Fresh banana blossoms enter the processing line. The blossoms move onto the next conveyor. From the chute, the blossoms enter the processing belt. The rail system guides the blossoms deeper into processing. The blossoms are carried toward the main processing machine.
The conveyor is washed before the next stage.
The blossoms are thoroughly washed with pressurized water. The washing continues as the blossoms move down the line. Powerful chain conveyors carry the blossoms forward. A cascading wash removes remaining impurities. A fine spray completes the washing stage.
The blossoms pass another intensive rinse.
The blossoms enter the steam-filled cleaning chamber. Targeted jets provide a final deep rinse. Multiple sprayers ensure complete cleaning. Wastewater drains away beneath the conveyor. A gentle rinse removes the last traces of debris. A final waterfall wash cleans the blossoms completely.
A light mist rinse prepares them for the next stage.
The washed blossoms move toward the next process. The blossoms are transferred using an overhead hook system. Powerful drive mechanisms keep the line moving. Overhead conveyors allow precise washing from below. Precision sprockets drive the conveyor system. The blossoms enter the crushing stage. Powerful rollers break the blossoms apart. The crushed blossoms are shredded into smaller pieces.
Rotating blades refine the shredded material.
The chopped material continues down the conveyor. The material moves toward further processing. The chopped pieces travel along the conveyor line.
The material transfers to the next conveyor.
The chopped blossoms collect in a large hopper. The material feeds into the processing machine. The shredded blossoms are mixed into a dense paste. The auger pushes the paste toward the next stage. A heated roller blends the paste further. The paste is extruded onto a conveyor.
The paste forms a continuous sheet.
More paste is discharged onto the line. The paste collects in a large mixing vat.
Starch and vitamins are added to the mixture.
Additional ingredients are blended into the paste. White powder is added to strengthen the blend. Powerful mixers combine the ingredients. The mixture thickens as it is continuously stirred. A powerful auger moves the mixture forward. High-speed mixing creates a powerful vortex.
The mixture spins into a deep vortex.
Strong paddles knead the thick mixture. Large vats process the mixture across the factory. The mixture is transferred onto the conveyor. The hot paste is extruded onto the belt. The paste continues along the processing line. The paste is discharged from the main chamber. The paste spreads evenly across the belt.
The heated paste moves through the factory.
The thick sheet continues through processing. A roller compresses the paste into a flat layer. Workers ensure the layer remains even. The sheet is pressed to a uniform thickness. The paste enters a large industrial oven. Inside the oven, intense heat begins drying the paste.
The sheet passes into another heating tunnel.
Heat removes moisture from the paste. The sheet dries into a firm layer. The baked sheet exits the oven. Exits the oven.
Additional heat removes remaining moisture.
The dried sheet begins to break apart. A grooved roller shapes the surface. The ridged sheet enters another heating stage. The textured sheet moves to the next stage. The material enters the pelletizing machine. The mixture is formed into small pellets. The pellets move to the sorting line. A roller levels the flowing pellets.
And So you can see it.
Vibration separates and cools the pellets.
The pellets move through final sorting.
A vibrating table separates the pellets. The pellets move down the chute system. The pellets flow toward final discharge. A close look at the finished pellets.
The pellets move to final packaging.
The pellets are packed into large sacks.
Each sack is carefully filled.
The sacks are filled for storage.
Filled sacks move along the conveyor.
The filled sacks move toward storage. The finished sacks move into warehouse storage.
The sacks move along the heavy conveyor system.
Sealed sacks continue toward distribution.
The sacks move toward final dispatch. The finished product moves into final storage.